Hi everyone, I'll show a simple fix for a common issue many artists face, getting Mixamo rig animations to loop smoothly in Blender. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll grab a walk cycle from Mixamo, a character animation that moves forward. Now we'll import the character into Blender. Okay, now we go to the timeline and switch it to the graph editor. In the graph editor, we press A to select all the keyframes, and then we add a cycle modifier to make the animation loop. Note that the character's position will reset at the end frame when the animation loops. Okay, now here's the fix. We open the Mixamo hip hierarchy in the graph editor. For this character, the Z location is the forward movement curve. We select the Z location line and make sure its keyframes are selected. To select only the Z location keys, just double-click the Z location channel in the hierarchy. Now we press Shift-E to open the extrapolation menu and set it to linear. After that, we disable the F-curve modifier on the Z location channel. It's the small white wrench icon in the channel list. Note that now the character will continuously move forward. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow.